Welcome to an F2F Transport Transflo training tutorial. Today we are looking at the Loads module. The Loads module allows each partner to update their load status and close out loads in real time. When a load is assigned to you, be it from your dispatcher or one that you booked yourself, the load will appear in two places from your home screen. Firstly, the notification bell at the very top of the screen, and secondly, the Loads button in the middle of the screen. Selecting either will allow you to accept the loads that were sent to you. When you select one of these two options, it'll take you to the Loads tab where you will see the available, accepted, in transit, and completed load options. In this case, we see that we have two available loads. By selecting available, we will then see a list of the loads that are available to us by pickup and destination as well as load number. Select the load number and then click Accept at the bottom of the screen to accept this load. If this is your current load, you may now slide the button at the bottom of the screen to the right to dispatch yourself on this load. If this is a pre-planned load or you are not ready to dispatch yourself, select the back arrow in the top left-hand corner to go about other business. Returning to the load screen will show that we now have one accepted load. If we did not dispatch ourselves on this load before, or if this is a pre-planned load, you can select Accepted. Here you will find all of your current pre-planned loads. For now, select the load you wish to dispatch yourself on and slide the bar at the very bottom of the screen to the right to start this load. A brief screen will pop up. This screen is simply there to confirm the load number. Take note of the load number and select the Send button in the top right-hand corner. You are now probably heading towards your first pickup. You will back out to the main screen and go to your logs. When you are ready to mark your first update as arrival at shipper, select Loads again, and this time notice that there is one load in transit. Select In Transit, and then select the load. Here you will find all of your load information should you need to refer to it. The updates follow a very simple pattern of arrival and departure at all of your stops, beginning with arrival at shipper. When you have arrived, simply slide the bar at the very bottom to the right to mark yourself as arrived at shipper. When you are fully loaded and ready to roll, you can return to this screen where you will find the Depart Shipper option. This time, slide the bar at the very bottom to the left to update for Depart Shipper. Departing shipper will take you to the status screen. Every time we leave a destination, we need to input the inbound trailer and the outbound trailer. Simply do this in their respective fields and then select the Send button in the top right-hand corner. Continue this process for all of your following stops. Your last stop will be indicated by the Arrived at Consignee button at the bottom. As we've been doing, slide the bar at the bottom to the right to confirm that you have arrived at Consignee. This time you'll notice that instead of Depart, we see Empty Call. Slide the bar to the left to indicate that you are empty and that this load has been completed. Again, the status screen pops up with the inbound and outbound trailers we need to input. In addition, on the final stop, you will need to list your odometer reading. Fill in these spots and then select Send in the top right-hand corner. A tab will open up that says Scan Documents or Done. It is recommended, and if you have time, to select Scan Documents and submit your paperwork now. If you do not have time, please select Done before backing out. When you find time to submit your paperwork, come back and find them under Loads, this time noting that there is a load under the Completed category. Select Completed, where you will see all of the loads you have completed. Please note to the right of the load number, there is a print icon. If a check mark is missing, it means paperwork has not been submitted for this load. Simply click the print icon, which will take you to the Scan Documents feature, where you can submit all of your paperwork. Return to the Completed tab to find check marks next to loads you have now submitted paperwork for.